Hey guys, how's it going? Jet Scott here, and we got a semi-easy project for us today. We're going to be restoring these console top plates for Dad's 68 Charger. We're going to be pulling them all apart, cleaning them, repainting them, polishing this metal, cleaning up. These are actually the console lights from Jezebel, because the ones that Dad got, they clean up better, but they don't have the lenses, and this lens is, well, yeah, like that. It's garbage. These ones are actually strong, and these are just, I think these will be better. And we got to clean the hinge up, get it working good. We got all the parts. We got some silver paint for in here. And we're going to do some tests with some red metal flake just to give it a little bit of customization. We're going to see how that looks on a test piece of metal with some gloss and some matte clear to see if we like it. Otherwise we'll just go silver. But we got the little camera set up, and all we're going to be using right now is some 4/0 steel wool for polishing and cleaning, Phillips head screwdriver, and a nut driver. Hope you guys enjoy watching me do all this. Alright guys, so what we got here is we got all the parts nice and clean, polished up, ready to paint. And as you can see, there's overspray on it because I've tried to paint it, but there's too much moisture in the air. I've cleaned these, even heated them up with the torch, and paint just won't stick, but I've sanded them, which might help a lot. They're smooth now. I ain't gonna touch it because I got oil on my hand. You know, the oil on your hands can mess with paint sometimes, so I think we're just gonna call it a night, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're actually gonna paint these. We sand it with like 220 or 400 grit, so it ought to be enough to stick to. And we're gonna be hitting it with this. In fact, I'm gonna show you what we're going for. I did a test for Dad on this piece of scrap aluminum, and you can see a little bit of flake in there. We're gonna put just a little bit of red metal flake inside of it just for a custom touch. And yeah, it's gonna be hard to see in this light, but there's some of that red because the car's red and it's not gonna be stock, so we just want a little bit of custom to it. So hope you guys enjoy or are enjoying. So see you when we get these painted. Okay guys, so we got these painted, and as you can see, we got I saw it a little, there it is. We got some little bubbles in there, and that's normally from oil and residue being on there, but I literally did my first paint and had a bunch of those, sanded the shit out of it, and then cleaned it with grease and wax remover twice, got it again, rinse, repeat 2 or 3 more times, still got that much. Don't tell me there's shit on that surface, because there's no way there's shit on that surface. I never touch it with my hands. I had rubber gloves on. I had bitch gloves on. That one came out good. This one came out good. This thing, I don't know, the console lid. What we're going to do is we're going to sand it anyways. We're going to give it a little bit of key, so when we put the red metal flake in it, we just pop. And then we're going to gloss clear it all, make it really nice for Dad. And there you guys go. We're still going to come through and we're going to black wash the inside of these fins. That way they look cooler, but it won't show the flake all that well. What sucks is the camera actually has to be out of focus to see it. It's a very small amount of flake. Yeah, there they are. Yeah, I gotta view it as it's out of focus or you won't be able to see it. See, that's what it looks like in focus. There's that blemish right there, it stayed. But here's what happens when you don't, I forgot to cut the clear coat. See that? I didn't cut the clear coat and it pulled a little bit of it off, but this is in the back, so it won't really matter. This is gonna look cool on Dad's car in his console. Hey, Dad. What do you think?
It'll work.
You like that sparkle?
Yeah. It's gonna be fine.
Not too much, not too little.
Old Virgil.
No. 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 Okay, tell people why you want to name your car Virgil.
Virgil wants more blood, I'll give it more blood.
That's not what you told me the other day.
It comes from that movie, The Core. From that ship that went clear to the center of the earth.
Alright, we're walking away. But yeah, that's how that turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to, what I call black washing. This is a real common thing with model cars and how you get super fine detail. So what I'm doing is showing you on this trunk lid. This is not the trunk lid, but the glove box door release on the console for Dad's 68 Charger. We are taking some Testors gloss black, just paint, made a little cup, mixed in some water, makes it super thin, and I still have to come back and repolish this, but this has not been done. This has been done. You probably won't be able to see it, but this has got black inside the lines. This does not. You can see it pretty good. It takes a couple of goings to get it just right. I was using a paintbrush. We're going to try it with the Q-tip, which is how I was taught to do it. You want to tell people about who did these console plates for you? Restored them? Just finished them?
That'd be Jed Scott.
We did the silver in here with a little bit of red metal flake, and if Dad gets out of the fucking way, you can kind of just barely catch a glimpse of it. Did the black inside here, which you'll see in the video.